Morning, everyone. It's July 1st, first day of the third quarter, and it's been kind of an interesting overnight. This is a 5-day intraday chart of the S&P to give you an idea of just how erratic things have been overnight. I tend to keep my iPad on my night table, and whenever I get up during the night, I check just to see what the futures are doing. So yesterday, this is where we closed. Here we are at 5 p.m. with the futures up a little. So between 5 p.m. and 11:30 last night, we did nothing. We were in a range of 30.80 to 30.88, so really nothing. Then we took a little dip, a little after midnight, and went down to the 30.72 area and turned right back around and worked our way back up to the 30.92 area. Still not a lot of movement, but then I'm not sure exactly what happened at 4:30 this morning, but we went from 30.92 all the way down here to 30.62. So that's a 30 handle. That's a fairly extensive move. And then we started working right back up. And right now, as you can see, we are up 8.5. This is pretty much the high. The Dow looked about the same, basically unchanged all night, and then all of a sudden down 280. And currently it looks to open up a little. We had Pfizer and BioNtech both having good results on vaccines. Pfizer is trading at 35, up $2.30 or 7%, and BioNTech 71.80, up $5.06 or 7.58. So the news overnight has been pretty much the same as it was yesterday afternoon. Hong Kong problems, China absolutely doesn't care. They're going to roll over Hong Kong, and it will be unrecognizable. The EU has opened up travel for everyone but us, and Japan manufacturing hit an 11-year low. Boeing is in the news for a change. Department of Transportation Inspector General said they failed to adequately disclose changes in the MAX. No big surprise there. Tokyo Disney reopened, so big whoop. And this morning, the ADP payrolls came in at plus 2.37 million, which is good, a little less than the estimate of 2.5 million. But here's the kicker, and I don't have any idea how these people even have the nerve to put out numbers like this. They revised the May number from down 2.76 million to up 3 million. I mean, how do you do that? How do you miss by 200% when you're processing payroll for companies? We have the non-farm payrolls tomorrow instead of Friday. Friday is a day off, in case anybody has forgotten. There is no market on the 3rd for the holiday, the 4th. There's also another firm that's going to be putting out information that CNBC is going to cover. The name of the company is Homebase, and they do business with roughly 60,000 small businesses. Okay, on the earnings side, we have Constellation Brands with a first quarter loss, and the stock is up slightly because it's better than expected. We had upgrades on Papa John's, PZZA, to outperform at Wedbush. We have PETQ, which is Pet IQ, also outperform at Raymond James. And we had Macy's with a loss of $2.03 for the first quarter, and the stock was up or down literally pennies. So pretty much as expected. We have two big movers this morning. One of them is called MYOS, MYOS. They have a merger and spin out of their muscle health business. The stock closed at 88 cents last night and is trading $2.40. So I'm guessing people like that deal. The stock is up 172%. And a stock that represents probably one of the worst destruction of equity plays, and that is YRCW, YRC Transportation. The news there is that they are getting a $700 million CARE Act loan. This is as zombie a business as there is. This company has gone through several fairly extreme reverses. It makes the stock, which is trading at $3 and change, up 100%, which looks pretty interesting here. But here's the number. The adjusted high on this $3 stock is $473,000. If you owned 10,000 shares of this stock before the splits, the reverse splits, you now have 1.3 shares. That's right, 10,000 down to 1.3. So that's about as destructive to equity as anything I've ever seen. The oil is up about 60 cents after being down a little yesterday, and the gold is down about $9. I said in last night's video and in last night's daily note that I thought that we might have to test the 1790 area before continuing higher. The low for overnight was 1788, I believe. Last is 1787, so it's continuing to sell off a little. The silver, which was up 57 cents, is down a dime, certainly acceptable. Have a good day, and I'll be back later.